Salud, dear friends, right now you are on the FixProfit channel. Right now I want to share with you a powerful bot that improves my trading step by step. It gives out highly accurate forecasts. Get it for free from the link in the description, but hurry up, because in a month it will become paid. And to not miss out on new content and cool offers, click on the subscribe to channel button and on the bell. Put likes and write comments, it motivates me a lot to keep making content for you. Okay, here we go. The signal is active sold. I enter all trades in strict accordance with the signals from this neural network. Now I want to make a turbo boost of the deposit. To do this, I will enter each deal for amounts in the range from $800 to $3,600. When I reach the desired result, I will summarize the results. The expiry time is 1 minute. I started with the franc-yen currency pair. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. This is convenient, because on longer timeframes we can update the information on signals whenever we want, right during trading. By the way, besides the bot, you will get access to my VIP chat with analytics and a valuable promo code. This is a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Great, isn't it? Or, for example, if you deposit $500 then on deposit you will have $1,000. Promo code works on the first deposit. Now let's discuss predicting financial crises with new technologies. Let's get this straight from the jump. It doesn't matter how advanced your tech is, how good your strategy looks, or how many economic models you've memorized. If your risk management is trash, you're not trading, you're gambling with better graphics. And in a market where even a tweet can send currency spinning, staying alive is priority number one. Here's the law. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Break it down. If your deposit is $100, you trade $1, earning around 80 cents on a win. With $1,000, your trades are $10, and your profit jumps to $8. With a $10,000 deposit, you're entering trades at $100. Now you're making $80 per win. Same strategy, same risk, but the larger your deposit, the more your discipline gets rewarded. That's why I always say, if you're serious about results, fund your account like a business. And now that we've armored up, let's talk about the battlefield of the future. Crashes used to sneak up on us. In 1929, nobody saw it coming. In 2008, most people were too distracted by real estate profits to notice the walls cracking. But today, markets move faster, react harder, and collapse quicker. Thanks to globalization, algorithmic trading, and interconnected systems, a single banking glitch in Europe can send USD, JPY into a nosedive within seconds. And that's where new technology steps in, not just to trade the crisis, but to see it coming before it hits. We're in a new age. The same way Tony Stark built armor to anticipate and absorb impact, today's best traders and analysts are using AI, machine learning, big data, and behavioral analytics to spot early signs of financial breakdowns. Here's how. Machine learning on historical crisis patterns. AI can be trained on decades of historical data, everything from unemployment rates to yield curve inversions to oil shocks, and find patterns that precede crashes. Think of it like training a dog to smell smoke. Except this dog is a neural network that can scan 100,000 charts a second. Real-time social sentiment analysis. One tweet, one viral post, one leaked memo. Tools like NLP natural language processing are now analyzing Twitter, Reddit, financial news, and blogs in real time to catch fear before it hits the charts. Remember the GameStop short squeeze? Reddit saw it coming long before Wall Street did. Imagine combining that early insight with a currency pair setup? That's alpha, predictive models built on correlation stress. Some systems now monitor currency correlations across dozens of global pairs, and alert you when those correlations start breaking in unnatural ways. In a stable market, EUR, USD and GBP, USD might move in sync. But if they suddenly start diverging dramatically, that's often a crack in the system forming. In the meantime, I continue to move toward my goal with confidence. My bot has already helped me complete several trades successfully. This is a mega tool with which you will really start earning fast. Its signals have an average of 80% success rate. Look at the channel with reviews. How much people earn? The link in the description. This is smart AI trading. And one more thing. Attention friends, there is a contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for one random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck! Remember Minority Report? When Tom Cruise's character uses pre-crime data to stop events before they happen. That's exactly what predictive tech is doing with financial crashes. It's trying to catch the earthquake while it's still a tremor. But here's the twist, in Minority Report, the system wasn't perfect. It still needed human judgment. And the same goes for trading. Tech gives you the signal, but it's your skill that turns it into action. Let's flip the mindset. Most people hear crisis and panic. Smart traders? They see opportunity. When markets crash, currencies spike or collapse fast. Volatility surges, direction becomes sharp, fast, and tradable. But here's the catch. If you're not educated and emotionally controlled, you get caught in the chaos instead of profiting from it. This is why tech plus education plus risk management is the unbeatable combo. Imagine this. Your AI alerts you to a potential global bank run developing in Asia. Your sentiment analysis confirms fear spiking across forums and finance Twitter. Your trading system shows a clean USD JPY entry aligned with the macro narrative. You take the trade with 1% risk, proper confirmation, and clear logic. That's not luck. That's modern trading in its highest form. Ray Dalio built his hedge fund on understanding how debt cycles create crashes. His models are now used by AI to forecast market storms. Michael Burry, who predicted 2008, did so using data and pattern recognition that no one else took seriously. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest used data-driven conviction to buy into tech dips others feared. You don't need to be them, but you do need to think like them, prepared, forward-looking, data-savvy, and emotionally disciplined. So, in the meantime, I'm completing my mission for the day. Yes, this turbo boost was made possible thanks to accurate signals from FixProfit. 6 accurate predictions, 6 pluses. A total profit of $8,827. Pick up the super robot at the link below the video for free and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to our Telegram channel at the link in the description. Bye.